the biodistribution of this product, this messenger RNA lipid nanoparticle. Well, guess what? It distributes everywhere. This is something that I would have known quite readily because I work with lipid nanoparticles. I could have told you that lipid nanoparticles, I usually say, they need a door crack, whereas a virus needs an open door. So, and a normal vaccine needs an open door. So a normal vaccine stays in the arm, pretty much, 99.9% or so, or 99%. A lipid nanoparticle needs a door crack to get out. A large majority of the lipid nanoparticle does not stay in the arm. In fact, we now know that a large part of it goes into the lymph node right underneath here and still making spike protein 60 days later. That's a wonderful study from Cell. So this is something that's called pharmacokinetics. That should have been looked at well before this product was out. So they never told people that, hey, we're going to stick it in your arm, it's going to show up in your lymph node, it's going to show up in your brain, it's going to show up in your ovaries, your bone marrow, your adrenal glands, your liver, your spleen, which is then going to track up through the vagus nerve and go to your basal ganglia. All these things are happening. Why do I know? Because the studies have been done now. If they weren't done by Pfizer, or Pfizer did them, they didn't tell anybody. So what I just told you was, it's not staying in the arm, it's producing spike for up to 60 days. The spike, as we know, is actually being found up to 15 months later in monocytes and other cells. It's not being degraded, all right? This is a big deal. People should know these things, right? It's blocking P53, the guardian of the genome. It's actually blocking microRNA 27A, which is also upticks in colon cancer. It's actually affecting many things that are going to increase cancer risk. BRCA, the breast cancer gene, interferes with that. So these are things that should have been done ahead of time. Everything I'm telling you,
the studies to look at this, right?
These studies are done. I'm not saying anything. These are not opinions. I'm not giving you any opinions. I'm just giving you data. So it goes everywhere. It's blocking important tumor repair genes called P53. It's blocking BRCA. It's also messing with microRNA 27A.